Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by verifying permissions and channel selection so messages can post. Open the CarlBot dashboard and pick your server. This tells the bot where to act. Make sure the chosen channel is visible to at everyone or desired roles, otherwise welcomes fail silently. Once done, enable Welcome module in the dashboard and turn on message permissions. This prepares the bot to send, embed, or react, which matters because Discord blocks actions without proper channel or role. You now build the actual welcome. Pick text or embed and craft content. This is how users perceive your server. Use CarlBot variables such as user and server so the message updates automatically. This reduces manual edits. Once you create an embed, check thumbnail and description links because Discord truncates long fields. Also, set a short delay and enable auto-roll if desired. These options control timing and onboarding flow, ensuring consistent delivery when members join. You finish by testing and confirming the welcome works. Invite a test account or ask someone to join. Observe message format and timing. If nothing appears, inspect channel overrides, role hierarchy, and any webhooks that might conflict because those commonly block sends. Make small changes and resave the welcome module each time, then retest. This isolates the fault. If problems persist, restart the bot or remove conflicting bots temporarily. This often exposes permission or webhook collisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.